Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle if you're new here, and today I'm doing a vendor wax haul. So I've been getting more into vendor wax. I've done 2 other vendor wax hauls, and this one I just happened to stumble across. I was on Facebook checking out like candle groups, but I found this one group and I hit join. And she was posting about all of her new creations she was making and when the sale was gonna be. And she was so nice, and I think I joined in June because the month of your birthday you get a free melt for your birthday. So she was super nice. When you join, she asks you when your birthday is, and I don't know, it just felt like a really nice community. So it's called Meltalicious Paws Wax Melts. I'll link her Facebook group down below. That's how she's currently doing orders. And it used to be she would have a restock day where she would say that everything was in stock and you could place your order, and that's what I did. And she was super accommodating. Highly recommend. She's so nice. She answers all your questions and gets back to you really quickly. I was in Alaska when I was placing my order, and she was like emailing me my invoices, but I couldn't get it, so she ended up just like I texted her email, and so we were going back and forth that way. She was just really super helpful because I couldn't get into one of my accounts when I was over there for some reason. So she really helped me out, and a portion of her proceeds go to an animal related charity, and a lot of her melts are paw shaped, which I love. So that's why it's called Meltalicious Paws. But instead of the restock date, she now has stuff that's ready to ship all the time. So I think right now she's a combination of both. She just posted her last like restock day sale, and now she's going to be ready to ship. So check her out. She's super nice. Her name is Sarah. So I'm just gonna show you all the melts I got. I bought all these with my own money. These weren't sent to me like the last 2 were. So first of all, I also brought up on my computer the scent descriptions of all of them because I know I'll forget. So she has a lot of great bakery scents. That's what most of the sale that I ordered from was. And I've used a couple of these already. Like this one I've already used. I think there were 2 other little paws like this, and they've gotten a little melty. I think because just my apartment's warm, that didn't help. And in the mail they get just kind of moved around a little bit, so it looks like they're melty because the bag gets a little messy, but they're not. She puts the pour date on them. You're supposed to give them about a month to cure, and they already were cured a month when I got them. So now she started putting these scent descriptions on the labels, but I did not order before that. So this scent is back to back, and look at these cute little paw shapes. They're so light blue color, and I did already use, like I said, one of the little paws, I believe. This one's really, really nice. This is actually in my melter back at home, and just one of the little paws is like perfectly strong for my bedroom there. So this one is sugar cookie dough and birthday cake. I absolutely love this one. I think it's one of my favorites. It's one of the ones I got into first when this order first came in. Next is cotton candy inserts, which are birthday cake, toasted marshmallow, and whipped cream over pour. So that's a lot of wax lingo. I'm not entirely sure what that means, but it's like one melts and then the other one is poured over it. So you could pick the scent you wanted, and then you could also pick the size. So I think I got paw packs of a lot of these. I'm not sure because they're not labeled and I forget. But paw packs were 2.6 ounces and they were $3.23. Very reasonable prices. None of it's that expensive. The double shot paw packs, I think that's what this is. I'm not sure. Those were 2.76 ounces. They were $3.37. There's also medium bags, which are the same price and quantity as the paw pack. So I didn't really know any of that meant, so I just kind of picked at random what I thought I would want more of. Let's see if I can take this out without it being a huge mess. So it's just the paw there. Super cute. And it had a little mini paw inside of it. These smell so good. I love all these cotton candy sort of scents. Whew, these are a little goopy. My light is so hot. I'm like sweating like crazy, so hopefully these aren't getting too gooey. But I did want to share these with you guys. She has a lot of different scents in stock right now, like new ones I want to try. So I'm not sure how many of these are still out, unfortunately. I was a little late getting this up, but I'm going to share it anyways and share this company with you. And I got pink whipped cookies. And I had 2 more of these little paws. The wax is this light pink. Super cute. I love this one. It's not as strong as the other one. but it smells so good. Oh my goodness. This one, sorry, I'm like looking back here at my laptop. This was Pink Sugar Type. Is there a perfume called Pink Sugar? I think there is, I'm not sure. Sugar cookie dough and whipped cream. Bakery lover's dream. If you like bakery gourmands, you would absolutely love this. The rest of these I haven't used. This is all they came with. This is ice cream cone, the white wax. So there's one big paw, a star, and then 3 little paws. And they have the nice zipper closed bags, which I really like. I hate when they're just those little kind of fold over bags with the kind of sticky on them, because they're never actually that sticky. So this one is vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, and vanilla waffle cones. So yummy. I love this. Very vanilla-y. A lot of these are starting to smell the same. I don't know if it's because they've been in the bag together this whole time. Can you store these like in the same bag as each other? Because it's just been in this bag, which was cute. She wrote Meltalicious Paws and drew a little paw print and said meltable, place in the shade, fragile, handle with care, all of that. Next is Cotton Candy Clouds, which is cotton candy with a hint of buttercream icing and waffle cone. So this one has a big paw, a little bunt shape, and 2 little paws. So this must have been a smaller amount that I ordered. Cotton Candy Clouds, what a good name. Really nice. It's hard to smell the difference between these until you actually melt them, and they do smell really different. Like pink whipped cookies and back to back are really different melting, but on cold they smell a little similar. Then I got Cotton Candy, and she only had these little paws available in this one. Really pretty pink wax color. So there are 5 of these, just plain cotton candy, which is one of my favorite scents, and yet it is so hard to find. So this was a limited batch, so that's why there was less of them. Might have been a different price too, I don't remember. Really nice. I almost get a berry note from this. I don't really know what to tell you the notes are because they just smell really sweet, really, really delicious in every way. So one of those was free, I don't know which one, but one was my birthday melt. And then she sent me a little sample, which was so nice. I ended up really liking this on cold, so I'm really excited to try it. I might have to order this if she still has this scent. She gave me a little cherry lemonade, and this was a little paw, get a little melted. Or squished, I don't know. And this one is a blend of sweet cherries and lemonade. And she also had one scent where she donated part of the proceeds to the LGBT community, to fighting youth homelessness in the LGBTQ plus community, and she sent friendship bracelets with those scents, which was really nice. I think that one was sold out actually by the time I ordered, because I ordered later. This smells so amazing. I would not think I would like it, but I do really like cherry scents. You definitely pick up a lot on the lemon too. So this is nice. This would have been nice for summer. I'll still use it. So that's everything I got. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what vendors you really like, and be sure to check out her Facebook page if any of these sound good. She still has a few of them. She also has some other ones that sound really good. She has Figs in the Sun. She has like a Bath & Body Works sweet vanilla sugar one out right now that I want. But I think I'm gonna have to use a little bit more of this before I place another order, just to make a dent. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are exploring the wax world a little bit more with me now. If you are new to it too, like I am, it's really fun to kind of tiptoe into it, and there's just so much going on, so much to explore. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Join our GlamBAM fam. You could even turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I also have a second channel where I post vlogs that you should check out and subscribe to. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. 3, 2, 1, bam!